Earth is often called the blue planet because of its vast oceans. However, we often overlook something important. Earth isn't just a watery planet, it's also the only fiery one. You might wonder, what about lightning, volcanoes, and the sun? But none of these are actually fire. The sun is a ball of hydrogen undergoing nuclear fusion, not fire. Volcanoes produce molten rock, and lightning is an electrical discharge, not fire. Only Earth has true fire. But what is fire, and why is it unique to Earth? Fire happens through a chemical reaction called combustion. For combustion to occur, you need two things, fuel and oxygen, O2. When something gets hot enough, oxygen reacts with fuel and creates flames. Fire also releases water vapor and carbon dioxide. For fire to exist, there must be oxygen in the atmosphere. Before life evolved, Earth had very little oxygen. The atmosphere was mostly made up of methane, water vapor, and carbon dioxide. Life on Earth, particularly tiny bacteria called cyanobacteria, began to photosynthesize. They turned carbon dioxide into oxygen, and after billions of years, the oxygen built up in the atmosphere. This event, called the Great Oxygenation Event, made life on Earth possible and allowed fire to exist. Early Earth didn't have forests or plants on land, so fire couldn't happen yet. Photosynthesis, which produces oxygen, eventually made fire possible. When plants started to grow on land, oxygen levels increased, which led to the first wildfires. Fossils of charcoal, which date back over 400 million years, show that early plants caught on fire, possibly due to lightning. These fires were Earth's first wildfires. Later, during the Carboniferous period, oxygen levels reached around 30 to 35%, which made fires much bigger and more intense. Trees and plants evolved to survive fires. Some trees developed thick bark, while others evolved to be consumed by fire so their seeds could grow in the ashes. These adaptations helped plants survive in fire-prone environments. Around 60 million years ago, after the Permian period, many fire-loving plants disappeared, and trees that produced seeds took over. During the Jurassic period, around 150 million years ago, the first pines appeared. Pines adapted to fire in different ways. Some developed thick bark, while others evolved to thrive after fire. These adaptations happened as fire became more common on Earth. Around 66 million years ago, an asteroid hit Earth, causing massive destruction. It likely triggered global fires, wiping out many plants. Afterward, new ecosystems, like grasslands, began to thrive. Grasslands, which evolved about 5 million years ago, became one of the planet's most fire-prone ecosystems. Grasslands depend on fire to survive. Fires help return nutrients to the soil and prevent trees and shrubs from taking over. Without fire, grasslands would disappear, and many species would be lost. Fire has played a huge role in shaping Earth's ecosystems, and it continues to influence life on Earth. Earth is a water planet, but more importantly, it is the only planet